Today we are giving you top tips to maintain the car, top car maintenance tips from SCC Knowledge Center. The first point is check your tire. Check your spare tire. It's similarly as critical to keep reinforcement tires well as it is the 4 tires under your vehicle. The last thing you need is to find your extra is level you are hauling the jack out of your trunk. That is the point at which you will have to look at your tire. The second point is change your oil. Change your engine oil. Whatever might your vehicle's oil at any point influence your financial plan. Goodness is bounty. The oil issues can be probably the costliest vehicle support issues to fix. Upkeep, change the oil each 5,000 miles. Take care of your battery. This is the third point. Keep your battery clean, moisture free, dust free. If you don't keep them clean, the battery could develop a crack or not function properly. Test your battery twice a year and inspect it for corrosion. The fourth point is replace brake pads. Check the brake liquid each time you change the oil to be certain it's not dull in variety. Assuming it is, you will have to change the slowing mechanism in the near future. The fifth point is replace air filter. The vehicle's air channel holds toxins back from coming into the vents. The air channel has a really significant work, so you need to treat it well. Furthermore, utilizing an old air channel long past its life will affect your car performance. The sixth point, get new windshield wipers. Really take a look at your windshield wipers at difference in then when fundamental. All things considered on the hope that the wiper should be good. Look at the shocks, springs, swaggers and suspension framework. Check the shocks and full suspension framework is 15,000 to up to 30,000 miles. The eighth point is look at your coolant. It's really smart to really look at your coolant 2 times per year, when before the warm weather condition hits and again before the chilly climate clips in. The coolant influences everything from the warmer and climate control system in your car. The ninth point is inspect belts and hoses. Supplant your crankshaft belt is 60,000 miles and super serpentine belt is 40,000 miles. The worn out belts can make other harm fundamental parts to your car. The 10th point is check your emissions of the car. Remember to take your vehicle in for review 1 time each year. Check with your neighborhood division of engine vehicles to know the particular necessities in your state.